If I had to build a 100K a month AI ads business working just 1 hour a day, this is the exact workflow I'd start with. Everything you're seeing on screen, from the product visuals to the final ad videos, was created using low-cost Seedance 2.5 inside Inspo. But the real advantage isn't just generating videos. It's building a reusable canvas workflow that lets you turn one product, one idea, or one client project into multiple ad variations without rebuilding everything from scratch. Before we create anything, here's a quick look around Inspo. Inside one platform, you have access to AI image models, AI video models, AI music generation, enhancement tools, and workflow automation features. You'll find popular image and video generation models all in one place. And now, Seedance 2.5 is officially live on Inspo. That's important because Seedance 2.5 delivers some of the most cinematic and realistic AI video results available today. And right now, members receive 50% off credits across the entire Seedance model series, making it one of the most affordable ways to access high-quality AI video generation. There are two primary ways to create videos with Seedance 2.5 inside Inspo. The first is text-to-video. This is perfect when you only have an idea and want AI to generate completely new scenes, concepts, or cinematic B-roll from a prompt. The second method is image-to-video. This works especially well for product ads, e-commerce creatives, branded content, and client projects where you already have a product image or key visual. For most advertising workflows, image-to-video is usually the fastest path because you can start with existing product assets and instantly generate motion. Now, let me show you where Inspo becomes much more powerful than a standard AI video generator. This is Canvas. And in my opinion, it's one of the most valuable features inside Inspo. Most creators generate content step by step using different tools and separate projects. The problem is that every new client, product, or campaign often requires rebuilding the entire workflow from scratch. Canvas solves that problem. Everything stays connected in a single visual workflow. Here I can organize product assets, reference images, prompts, model settings, image generations, video generations, creative variations, final outputs, all in one place. Let's build a simple AI ad workflow. First, I import the product image. Next, I generate supporting visuals. Then I connect those visuals directly into Seedance 2.5 for video generation. After that, I create multiple creative branches. One version focuses on lifestyle content, another focuses on product features. A third version targets social media advertising. Notice that every asset, prompt, and generation remains connected. That means I can always trace how a result was created and improve it later. Now here's the real advantage. Instead of rebuilding everything for a new product, I can simply duplicate the entire canvas. Now, I replace the product image, update a few prompts, keep the same workflow structure, and instantly create a completely new campaign. The same process works for new products, different SKUs, multiple clients, different industries, new creative directions. You can even publish the workflow as a reusable template. This turns a successful workflow into a repeatable production system. Instead of creating one ad at a time, you're building a framework that can generate many ads repeatedly. For agencies, freelancers, e-commerce brands, and content teams, this can save a massive amount of production time. And that's really the biggest value here. Seedance 2.5 creates the videos. Canvas creates the system. In addition to generation models and Canvas, Inspo includes several supporting tools. You can quickly remove backgrounds, upscale images, enhance image quality, upscale videos, improve video quality, and even generate AI music or complete AI songs. These tools help complete the entire creative workflow without constantly switching platforms. We're not going to dive deeply into each one today, but it's useful having them all available inside the same workspace. Before wrapping up, let's take another look at what Seedance 2.5 can produce. Pay attention to the motion quality. Camera movement feels natural. Lighting remains consistent. Subjects maintain strong visual coherence. And the final results look far more production-ready than what many creators expect from AI video generation. These videos can be used for product advertisements, e-commerce creatives, SaaS marketing, UGC-style content, social media campaigns, brand storytelling, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Seedance 2.5 is now live on Inspo. Members currently receive 50% off credits across the full Seedance model series. That means Seedance 2 costs as little as 10 credits per second at 480p and 25 credits per second at 720p after discount. Seedance 2 Mini drops to just 5 credits per second at 480p. On top of that, Inspo membership plans are currently 20% off, with Premium offering some of the best overall value. Eligible new Pro, Premium, and Ultra subscribers can also access the one-day unlimited model access promotion. A payment card is required for the trial, and users who don't want the subscription to continue should cancel before the trial period ends. If you'd like to try Seedance 2.5 and build your own reusable canvas workflows, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.